I'm running back. This song is my shit. Told that DJ turn it up. All we did was bow flex. It's that Stone Mountain, Cab County. Fuck boys, no shit bout me. Still real, no shit. Cash gun, money clip. 285 to 400, then I made a left. Man, we spend it up in Lennox, boy, we fresh to death. They was sleeping when I left, now they heard of me. We get paid to kick y'all hype, that's that turnip green. New kicks, street ball, black top, asphalt. Tight dress, her asphalt. Get faced like bath sauce. Airport atheist, only pray when there's turbulence. So why the fuck am I stressing over this nervous shit? Nervous shit.
Like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know. When I compliment her, she won't believe me, and it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know I'd never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile,
feeling my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where to start. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream. Well, life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes, so that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. There's traffic in the sky and it doesn't seem to be getting much better. There's kids playing games on the pavement, drawing waves on the pavement. Shadows of the planes on the pavement. It's enough to make me cry, but that don't seem like it will make it feel better. Maybe it's a dream, and if I scream it will burst at the seams. Whole place would fall into pieces, and then they'd say, well, how could we have known? I'll tell them it's not so hard to tell. No, no, no. You keep adding stones, soon the water will be lost in the well. And puzzle pieces in the ground, no one ever seems to be digging. Instead they're looking up towards the heavens with their eyes on the heavens. The shadows on the way to the heavens. It's enough to make me cry. That don't seem like it will make it feel better. The answers could be found, we could learn from digging down. But no one ever seems to be digging. Instead they'll say, well, how could we have known? I'll tell them it's not so hard to tell. No, no, no. You keep adding stones, soon the water will be lost in the well. And words of wisdom all around, but no one ever seems to listen. They're talking about the plans on the paper, building up from the pavement. The shadows from the scrapers on the pavement. It's enough to make me sigh. That don't seem like it will make it feel better. The words are all around, but the words are only sounds, and no one ever seems to listen. Instead they'll say, well, how could we have known? I'll tell them it's really not so hard to tell. No, no, no. You keep adding stones, soon the water will be lost in the well. Lost in the well.
It makes it easier to fake. The only time we really talk is when our clothes are coming off. I like us better when we're wasted. It makes it easier to say, lay all your laundry on the bed, and then I'll lay in it instead. I like us better when we're wasted. Oh, 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 oh. You are a glass half empty, sipping my ocean dry. Emotionally spend me, so none of our planets could collide. But I could stand you one more night. I like us better when we're